Double reach, Vern Nolan going to hold court on that number 4 barrel. Side Energy, Luke Tournier has got the victory in his sights. Lieutenant Gray Eagle, Kurt Bensmiller on 2, and both with Jess on 1 with Trinidad. Heat 9 is in line. There's the horn, and the charge is a quick one as Heat 9 explodes out of the infield. Vern Nolan to the outside and to the front end. Lightning Luke Tournier, Side Energy, and Jess Willard gains his bottom barrel to get out there, steal the rail away, and that's how they fly into the turns. Up on the front, look at this dynamic duo here. It's got Lightning Luke Tournier, Side Energy on the rail. He's now come inside and surpassed Vern Nolan, Denton's Canada. Jess Willard in the Cosgrave outfit. Trinidad drilling right in behind them by a wagon light. Kurt Bensmiller, the Gray Eagle Resort and Casino and Certification trailing the pack. And now the race is on. Lightning Luke Tournier in a run for his 2nd consecutive championship. Hoping for a penalty-free run. He's got Denton's Canada. Vern Nolan to the outside of him. Back now a full wagon light. Jess Willard and Trinidad drilling, coming alongside of Vern Nolan, right on the stove rack of Lightning Luke Tournier. Kurt Bensmiller trails the pack, and here they come to the wire. The final 100